Some of that commentary, I have to say, is incredible. An incredible overstatement. Can I just say to the deputies, I didn't discuss this training with President Zelensky because it's on a very minor scale compared to what every other member of the European Union is doing, bar Ireland, Malta and Austria. Let's get real here. We're not providing any significant, any military support in terms of hardware or in terms of weaponry to Ukraine, and nor should we suggest that we are. This is hyperbole, beyond hyperbole. I've outlined what we've done so far: demining and combat, medical combat. That's all we've done, lads. 2 or 3 programs involving 6 personnel. That's all we've done. And people are horrified. And this represents a flagrant breach of our military neutrality. Could we have some perspective? Do you know what the big issue in Ukraine right now is? An aerial bombardment that will freeze them to death over the next winter. That's the enormity of the issues they are facing. Now, in terms of the European Peace Facility, we're very clear it's non-lethal assistance. I have to stress that in terms of the funding that comes from the European Peace Facility. And yes, Ukraine, we didn't want, no one envisaged the brutal invasion by Russia.
I'm not given to hyperbole and I'm not given to exaggeration. I repeat my horror to what's happening for a neutral country. Shaking your head doesn't help the situation. Deputy Breach-Smith already mentioned the horror in relation to what Israel is doing in Palestine, and we have really stood idly by other than expressing our deep concern. Let me just give you some figures from the European fact sheet. EU solidarity with Ukraine. As of September 2023, the EU and its members individually had provided approximately 25 billion in support of Ukraine, including 5.6 billion under the European Peace Facility. Misplaced, misnamed European Peace Facility. The total budget for that was 5.6 billion. It's gone way over that now alone with its allocation to the Ukraine. Now, in 30 seconds, I can't go through the figures, but that's what we're left to do, go through the figures while you tell us this does nothing to our neutrality. I am 100% behind giving humanitarian aid, but I'm also behind using our voice to bring peace and to have a peaceful settlement. At some stage that's going to happen, as in every war. In the meantime, we choose one country over another, even though we're a neutral country. I mentioned Palestine, Yemen has been mentioned and so on. Shaking your head does not add to the argument. It does not, thank you.
I think it's shocking.
Tánaiste.
It's shocking what's going on here.
Absolutely
what about for all of the time?
I agree with
what
you.
Russia did is absolutely appalling. And continues to be appalling.
Absolutely.
What do you expect people in Ukraine to do? Let them the whole way in?
That's what Ireland, I'm expecting.
Is that what we expected through the chair?
Sorry,
I mean, this is a double standards. I mean, we are consistent on Palestine.